Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 XLT in magma, think molten lava, and it has a black sport cloth interior, seating for four doors, and a 5.5-foot box. You also have a hard tonneau cover. This has a 5-liter V8 engine. It's a 4x4, and it also has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, the XLT Sport package, which gives you the sport cloth, magnetic colored grille, and as well you have hill descent, backup camera, and voice activated navigation. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and you've got this nice sport cloth design. You're seeing it's like a tread mark on the seats in the back. You have your electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and with the aid of your running board and grab handle, it's easy to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and there's also a menu that we can toggle through. So let's get in there. Display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center is your little cubby to put items, hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. And there's my display screen that's coming up. When I put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view there. And there you go, the screen's coming up. So we can go into sources in the audio, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You also have your navigation, so the map will come up. And that'll just take a second here. It's just warming up. There you go. And then settings, you can slide through Wi-Fi, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and lots of other options that you can just touch on. Volume and tuner. There's your CD player. There's your fan, front defrost, rear defrost, AC and max AC. And then off to the side is your 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. Your little cubby opens up with just a push, and there's a couple of USB outlets. You can also put items in there. Just press in the center, it'll close right up. And you have an automatic select shifter. There's drive mode. When you press on that, it'll appear on your dash. So you have normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. And then you've got a couple of cup holders. The armrest opens up. It's quite large. There's a nice little bin. Take that out. Your 12 volts down there, and you can put anything you want in there. Lots of room. Off to the side, 12 volts and a 110. Locking glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror. There's your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and there's a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, magnetic colored running board, body colored door handle, keyless entry keypad. Driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. In the back, the body colored handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable, and the backup camera is just below that handle. 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you want to open it up, you just simply put your hand in the latch. And you've got this nice hard tonneau cover. There's a line box with tie downs in all 4 corners. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split, and you simply lift the seat with one hand and it's in the upright position, and then pull the tab and down it goes, and you're seeing that nice tire tread design. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. All-weather mat on the floor for easy cleanup, and slim pockets on the back of the front seat. And then you have a couple of cup holders in the center there, 12 volt, 110, and USB outlets, air vents on each side. There's a grab handle in the body, hooks and lighting up above, and in the back, access to a big window that has rear defrost. Body colored bumper, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, tonneau cover, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.